All right, YouTube family, today I am back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to do a immune system booster. This will knock any cold, cough, any throat hurting, any of that, any of those kinds of symptoms. It will knock it out within a day, I promise you. I give this to my family, my friends. People come in and buy it, and it just runs off the shelves. So I'm going to show you guys how I make this, and all you need is 2 ingredients. That's it. So first, you're going to start off, you're going to need your dried elderberries, organic, of course. Then you are going to need your vodka. Bam, that's all you really need. You get this vodka for super cheap. So let me show you guys how this is done. You're gonna also need your mason jar. Going to need your towel, your dish towel that you're gonna put in the bottom of your crock pot, okay? So we're going to put this in the bottom like this, and then we are going to fill that with water after we put our elderberries into here and add our vodka. So let's get started. So we're gonna add our elderberries, and you're gonna wanna add about an inch. All you need is about an inch of elderberries, which is almost about 1/4 of the jar. So move that to the side. Then we're gonna fill it up with our vodka. Now I'm making this because I ran out at my store and they are requesting it. I also have one that I make with food grade glycerin for the kids, but this is the one that super ran out. So I'm gonna fill it with our vodka. Gonna put our top on it, and we are going to shake that up. Now I'm using this cheap vodka. You can use a cheap vodka. This is For Freedom's vodka. I got this whole big, what is this? It's 80 proof, 40% alcohol, and what is this, a half gallon? I got this for 20 bucks. So, and this stuff is good. It works great, and it's potent. So we're gonna shake it up. All right, now we have our water and our tincture. We are going to place our tincture into the crock pot. Now we're gonna pour our water in here. Now this can be faucet water or whatever water you want, but it can be faucet water because you're not gonna drink it and you're not gonna taste it. So we're gonna fill this up, not all the way, almost all the way. All right, to where you just want like about that much room in there. So then we are going to put our lid on. And then what you are going to do is you're going to put this on low, and you are going to keep this going for 3 days. 3 days. And after the 3 days, you're going to turn it off. You're going to let it cool, and you're going to put it on low for 3 days. After you turn it off, you're going to let it cool, and you're going to have your elderberry tincture. And then you're going to want to strain it. All right, so when this is done, I'll come back and I'll show you guys how you strain. All right, guys, make sure that you're checking your water also as you're adding your thyme. As you're checking your thyme every day to make sure that your crock pot is still on and that it's still going for the full 72 hours. You want to make sure that your water is still at a good height also. Taking the tincture out of the crock pot. It is still a little bit warm, but I'm just going to show you guys how I bottle everything up. So you're going to need your tincture, your strainer, one of these so you can pour it into the amber bottle. Easy. It's been 3 days, so now I had this in the crock pot for 3 days on low, and as you can see, some of the vodka is gone. It soaks it up, like it really does. So I'm going to strain this in here. Pour this doesn't all want to come out. So, okay, so what I also like to do is I like to push down on it, and as you can see, it's like coming out. Alright, and I like to get all of the elderberry out that I can. Alright, I'm going to put that to the side. Now, I'm going to grab your dropper bottle. I'm just going to pour it in here. This tincture is going to be super potent. If anybody is ever sick, has a cold, a cough, anything, sore throat, all you have to do is give them about that much every couple of hours, and it is going to knock it out. All right, you guys, thanks for watching my video on how to make an elderberry tincture, and don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can be entered into the sea moss giveaway. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.